Hi guys, happy Froggy Friday. Welcome to the Mischief. I'm the Crafty Rat. Right, so this video is part of the now monthly Froggy Friday collaboration, which is an awesome collaboration. Anything to do with frogs, you can't beat it. And it was started by Kaz, the wonderful Kaz from the Dragon's Cave, and Lisa, the girl in the garage. It's been going on a little time since then. So it is now supported by the lovely Lula from Nerd Goblin Art, Tim the Bass Resonator, and ourselves. So that's the Crafty Rat. It's actually Chris who deals with all that side of things, but I'll say we. So,
it's royal we.
Yeah, it's the royal we. So this collaboration is open to absolutely anybody and any mediums. We have artists, we have people who do polymer clay, we have obviously resin, we have all sorts and everything, so everyone's welcome. So if you do want to join in, contact anyone that I've mentioned or ourselves, and there are details below in the description. Right, so this frog has given me a few issues. Thing is, it's not only Friday the 13th, it's Valentine's Day the day after. So just to complicate matters, I wanted to combine both, like you do. Had an idea, awesome idea, loved it. 13th of December I was delivered some moulds that would have helped me execute this idea. Can we find the moulds? No. So I've had to rethink what I'm doing. And it's cost me a few thoughts. So I've finally come up with an idea. Now, nothing like leaving things to last minute. If you've watched my previous videos, you know I'm actually pretty good at leaving things to last minute. So it's Wednesday today, so I'm hoping to get most of it done today and finished off tomorrow so Chris can get the editing done. But what am I doing? Once I clean this, seriously, hairs. What am I doing? I'm doing a frog. Waiting for Chris's comments to show up on the screen.
I'm not going to put it in now.
Yeah, he probably won't now. Excuse me, I seem to be coming down with a bit of a cold, so apologies, I'll try and keep the coughing to a minimum. Right. Hello, Ella.
Hi.
Yeah, she's very distracting, her and her dad. Right, so I'm going to be filling up a lot of the way. And then I'm going to be putting these little fellas in. How long have we had these?
Over a year, because we got them before we started YouTube.
Yeah, so we've had these for quite some time. And I think I was talking today in Discord about, I get loads of things from Temu, have every intention of using it, but then never get round to it. I'm finally getting round to using these. Oh, hello, Spoonie. I have a little ginger cat. Hang on. Oh, poor baby. You don't want to be in camera, do you? I'll get Chris to insert a photograph. He doesn't want to be shown. Yeah, okay. It's called Ralph. We nickname him Spoonie. Don't ask, don't know.
He just is a spoon.
Is a spoon. So, right, yeah. What was I saying? Distraction, squizzle. Yeah. I was talking about it this morning. I get things and then...
Step back for my own safety.
I get things and then never use them. So I'm now using this. So what I'm going to be doing, filling it up most of the way. Well, kind of. Because I don't want... No, it's only going to be a tiny amount. Okay, I'm putting in a clear layer. Dotting a few of these in. Oh, putting in a clear layer. Letting it cure mostly. Dotting a few of these in. Topping up with clear up to the flat bit there. And then I'm going to be backing it. What am I backing it with?
Hopefully resin.
Glitter. Hello. I've still got a cat next to me. He is really cute. He won't be in here whilst I'm doing the resin. He's just in here for the moment. Right. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I am doing this bit a little bit differently. Normally I would let it fully the first bit fully cure and then stick these on with UV. I still may need to do that, but I am wanting to try and limit the layer line, and I don't have forever to wait for it to cure. Yeah, so the plan, I have a plan, and it's cunning.
Sure.
So what I'm doing is putting in the resin. I'm going to put the G3 on. Now, normally I have it at 50 degrees Celsius for 3 hours. That's just my settings. If I have it on the standard 60 degrees, then I tend to get flash cured. So I have it at 50. So instead of having it for 3 hours, I'm going to leave it for an hour and a half. So I'm hoping it's not fully cured, but it's an experiment. We'll see. So if it works, then hopefully it'll be gooey enough to stick this in and then put another layer on top. If it doesn't work and it's cured, then I'll just have a layer line. Yeah. So that's the plan for this. Now, because I'm not entirely sure how much, I will shut the waffling, I do apologise, but because I don't know how much I'm going to need for this first initial layer, I have got this mould, which is, I think it's a flower from Temu. Obviously, never used it before. It's all sealed. So the excess, I am going to colour it. Sorry. I'm going to colour it with this. And that's going to be that one. Since it's coming, it's Valentine's Day. You know, it's, flowers, love, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Right, so I shall catch you in a few once my resin's all mixed up.
Coffee cup, sun is low. Click that screen, let the good times roll. Little green mold in a plastic tray, turning plain old Friday to a hit replay. It's the Crafty Rat on YouTube today, crafting up a resin frog in the sweetest way. Yeah, it's Friday the 13th, unlucky for some, so grab your popcorn, hit that playlist, come on. It's fun, it's fun, it's fun, it's fun. Hit that playlist, come on. It's fun, it's fun, it's fun, it's fun. Gloves go on, glitter rain, tiny frogs swimming in a crystal lake. Cameras on, chat rolling fast, turn a little project to a party that'll last. It's the Crafty Rat on YouTube today, crafting up a resin frog in the sweetest way. Yeah, it's Friday the 13th, unlucky for some, so grab your popcorn, hit that playlist, come on. It's fun, it's fun, it's fun, it's fun. Hit that playlist, come on. It's fun, it's fun, it's fun, it's fun. Some folks run from the 13 day, we just laugh, say pour that paint. Turn a spooky little rumor to a joke in a song. If you're watching with us, you're already lucky, come on. It's a Crafty Rat on YouTube today, crafting up a resin frog in the sweetest way. Yes, Friday the 13th, unlucky for some, so grab your popcorn, hit that playlist, come on. It's fun, it's fun, it's fun, it's fun. Hit that playlist, come on. It's fun, it's fun, it's fun, it's boot up the screen, kick off your shoes. Been a long, hard week, I paid my dues. Got my snack bowl ready, curtain call. A little green star, gonna steal it all. Some folks say this day's bad luck, Friday the 13th, better run amok. But I just laugh and hit play again. If this is trouble, let it all roll in. Hey! It's a frog on a Friday, crafted right in front of you. Shiny little daydream in a clear bright pool of blue. Might be unlucky for some, but I'm right where I wanna be. Grab your popcorn, hit that playlist. It's fun, just wait and see. Tiny little mold on a messy desk, colors swirling like they know what's best. Slow pour, close up, careful hands, turning simple stuff into wonderland. Clock keeps ticking, I don't mind losing all track of time. Who needs luck when you got this view? Magic in the making, live on cue. Oh yeah, it's a frog on a Friday, crafted right in front of you. Shiny little daydream in a clear bright pool of blue. Might be unlucky for some, but I'm right where I wanna be. Grab your popcorn, hit that playlist. It's fun, just wait and see. Rain on the window, storm in the sky, but the comments roll and the moments fly. Who knew joy could fit on a tiny screen? One bright frog in a resin dream. It's a frog on a Friday, crafted right in front of you. Shiny little daydream in a clear bright pool of blue. Might be unlucky for some, but I'm right where I wanna be. Grab your popcorn, watch that playlist. It's fun, it's you and me.
Hey guys, Janet's currently ill, so you've got to endure me to do the steam mold. So we'll start with the extra ones. I am so out of practice for doing demolds, it's unbelievable. Let's have a look. I don't even know what this is supposed to be. Flowers, I think. Yeah, I think it's flowers. Okay, let's see what this hippo's turned out like. I love this mold, it's really cute. Let's see how the frogs turned out. Unlike Janet, I've shown some patience here. Normally she pulls them out as soon as they're cured, so everything's still soft. And she tends to pull the toes off. So I've left it to actually fully cure, so I don't amputate anything. Which Ella the eldest won't like, because it means she doesn't get another frog. Let's have a look. Oh, that's weird. I like that. That's actually turned out better than I thought it would. Alright, so in the description below you'll be able to find discounts and links to Buy Me a Coffee and Amazon wish list. Anything that comes through any of those channels goes straight back to the channel, so we can bring you more videos. Alright, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.
In a little shed by the railroad track, she's turning nothing into something that lasts. Resin pours like a flowing dream under the glow of a dim kerosene. Glitter jars and colors so stark shimmer like stars in the deep dark park. Her hands stained with the art she weaves, a touch of magic in the things she